Hi, welcome to an awesome algebra session on factoring. This video shows how to factor polynomials, specifically trinomials, three-term polynomials, in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. I'm going to use the ACB method to factor. You can use the guess and check method for this one because a will be equal to 1, which means we can go immediately into factoring. But I like to use the ACB method because if I can't find it, then I know it's prime, which is super duper helpful. So here are my steps. I want to find a GCF, a greatest common factor, see if I can't factor it out. Again, I'll use the ACB method, which we'll see. The product is of AC, and the sum needs to be B. If A equals 1, which is this type of video, then I will go right into factoring. If A doesn't equal 1, then we use factor by grouping. Check out my other video on factoring by grouping. Then I see, can I factor further? Yes, then great, I'm going to factor. If no, okay, that's fine. And my last step, this is the bonus one all the teachers are going to love, is check. You check your work to make sure you got it right. If it's a test, super helpful, so you get full points on there. So without further ado, let's help you factor. Okay, the directions say factor the polynomial. If the polynomial cannot be factored, state that it is prime. I wrote our directions over here in case you forgot to copy them down. I got you. Okay, so first step, GCF. Do I have a greatest common factor between all of them? If I look at the first term and the last term, there is nothing in common. This one is x squared, my coefficient 1. And that's negative 42. There's nothing there. So GCF, nope. I'm going to put a little check mark. It's done. Next thing it says to do is use the ACB method. Okay, ACB, here we go. AC. How do I get AC? I take the first number, which is 1, times negative 42. So 1 times negative 42, which is equal to negative 42. And I want the sum to be B, negative 19. Okay. Okay, so the product is going to be a negative 42. It's going to be a negative. How do I get a negative? Well, a positive times a negative. Can you do a negative times a positive? Absolutely you can. Either way, it should work out just fine. And then my sum needs to be a negative. How do I get a negative when I add? Well, if the bigger number is negative, then I'm going to get out a negative. So this is going to tell me what the bigger number is. So the bigger number is negative. Okay, so my bigger number is negative. The first one I always do is 1 and whatever number I have. So 1 and 42. I need one positive and one negative, and the bigger number is negative. So this 42 needs to be negative. And then I do 2. Okay, 2 times negative 21. And then 3. Can 3 work? Yes. 3 and negative 14. Then I try 5. Well, 5 doesn't go into 42. Shucks. Then I try 4. 4 doesn't go into 42 either. 5 doesn't end a 0. 4 won't go into 42. Or 5 won't go into 42. 6. Does 6 works? Yes, 6 works. Yay. 6 works. 6 times negative 7. And then the next number try is 7, which, look, it's right here. So I've got all of the factors of negative 42. On this side, I'm going to add them. So 1 minus 42, that would be negative 41. 2 minus 21, negative 19. 3 minus 14, negative 11. 6 minus 7, negative 1. What's the number that I wanted? I wanted negative 19. Okay. I have my ACB. Now, A, what does A equal? A equals 1. That means I can go right into it being factored. Awesome! So that means my answer is x plus 2 times x minus 21. X plus 2 minus 21. I've got it factored. Can I factor it further? Can I factor it further? Well, x plus 2? Nope, nothing in common. X minus 21? Nope. And just a reminder, where did I get these numbers from? So I'll just highlight positive 2, positive 2, negative 21, negative 21. Okay, can't factor anything further. The bonus one that everybody loves is the check. So it doesn't say to check, But this is how I'm going to ace my test. So x times x times negative 21, so positive x times negative 21. Then I do the next one, so this is coming from the first ones. And then I repeat for 2. So plus 2 times x plus 2 times negative 21. Kind of running out of room. Sorry, it's getting a little small over here. 21. So what do I get out? I get out x squared minus 21x plus 2x minus 2 times 21 would be 42. And then look, I got some more like stuff right here. So I will combine that. X squared, 21 minus 2, negative 19, x minus 42. Does it check out? Yes. Yes, there it does. And just to show, hey, this is from multiplying. This is from multiplying the 2 and the x by it. That's why I highlighted it. So x times x, that's there. X times negative 21 is there. 2 times x is right here. 2 times negative 21 is there. Multiplied, combined our like pieces, and we did a good check. Okay, we got our imaginary bonus points. Pew, 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 pew. Awesome. Okay, well, math is a verb. It's something that you do. So I know you want to try it out. Here's your turn. Here's your problem right there. Ta-da! Go ahead, try it out. Put your answer in the comments section. While you're in the comments section, go ahead and ask any questions that you have. If you would like a video on a certain topic, go ahead and add that as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an irrational day.